Columbus, Ohio. This is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over a quick update for the Walmart Business Community Card. It's a net 30 account underwritten through Blue Tarp, also known as Capital One. I've made two other videos in the past, and a lot of people have commented on the last video about the page does not work to apply for the Walmart Community Business Card. So I'm just making this quick video just to give you guys some updates. So before I get into that, if you could please hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. I really appreciate it. I work really hard to keep up with everything, all the latest details on all the business credit lines. So if you could just please hit that subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. A lot of you guys got approved, hundreds of you guys got approved for the Walmart Community Card, the business card, after I dropped those two videos in the last, say, 3 or 4 months. So what happened about a month ago, shortly after I dropped the last update video about the Walmart business card, is the application, you go to apply for it and it goes to a 404 error page, so you can't fill out the application. So I'm going to give you guys an update. I just didn't want to put out an update without investigating and finding out why they took down the application. So what I can tell you is it's not just Walmart, it's several other net 30 and net 60 accounts that is underwritten through Capital One Business Finance. It's not just Walmart alone. It could have been because of a spike in applications. There's no way of actually knowing that 100%, but I will make another updated video when I find out more information as far as when they reopen up applications. Just be patient, and like I said, you hit that subscribe button, you'll get notified for all notifications, and you'll know when the Walmart business card comes back available, okay? Anyways, so let me get on to those that did get approved. I want to give this update, okay? I believe I got 3,000 or 3,500 when I originally applied for this for less than a year old LLC. So I only bought maybe $200-300 for the first 2 months, and I did a limit increase 2 weeks ago, and it says 3 to 5 business days. They'll let you know, if they're going to approve that limit increase. So I put down 7,500 is what my desired limit increase I want it to be, and they didn't notify me. I didn't hear anything back, but I logged in to pay like a $98 payment yesterday, and when I logged in, I saw the credit limit was 7,500. They gave me the limit increase. They might have gave it a week ago. I just didn't log into it. And they didn't notify me anything about it. So what I want to tell you guys, for those that have a smaller limit, you can request a limit increase within the dashboard of the SmartView Walmart Community Card. It's a Capital One page, okay? It is an OPG, so you don't have to worry about that at all. I just wanted to give that update and let you guys know, like, if you have a $2,000 limit and you've made a couple payments, you can request a limit increase, and there's no reason not to, especially now because things are kind of unsure on the future of the Walmart Community Card. They could be changing finance companies. Walmart could be partnering with somebody else. Who knows? You never know. Just get that limit increase while you can, as long as you've made everything on time. Like I said, always pay everything like 5 to 7 days before the due date. It reports to Experian like clockwork, Experian Business Credit, and possibly Dun and Bradstreet, but it definitely goes into Small Business Financial Exchange. So it's a good trade line. A lot of the cards you'll see, they'll have, you got to pay attention to that small print writing on the back. It's very small print. Let me cover up my card number here, but you'll see like this one's pretty clear that it says Capital One, right? But it says like log into SmartView at walmartcommunitycard.com to manage your account and make payments. So a lot of different business credit cards, you don't know who the actual underwriter is. Even if it's, say, Best Buy, it's not really Best Buy. It's MSTS, TrevPay. So just keep that in mind so you can strategically get these different credit lines. I will make another video about how to understand the cards that you guys do get approved for, so you can strategically stack those cards within the financial institution. Once you've already had that relationship with them, it's a lot easier to get other cards and other credit lines through the same financial institution that is underwriting. So like there's Northern Tool and several others that is actually Blue Tarp, Capital One Business Credit, and you don't have to have any personal guarantee to it. I'll be making another video about those applications. Those have to be filled out on like PDF form, printed off, signed, and faxed or emailed to Capital One department. But it's all the same application for several of these. I will make another video about that here very soon. So make sure you hit the subscribe button for all notifications, because you guys do not want to miss what's coming this month here in March and April. Okay, because I have so many more trade lines and business credit cards that are coming out. A lot of them are no PG. So till next time, you guys take care, and I appreciate you guys tuning in and showing the support. As always, be safe, take care, shoot for the moon, as Rob would say. Okay, till next time, take care. Bye-bye.